Understanding the type code for the AKM synchronous motors. AKM indicates this is a synchronous motor. 2 means the flange size is 58 mm. 1 denotes the frame length of 1. E refers to the winding type of E. A refers to the IEC flange configuration. N means it has a smooth shaft. C denotes the 2 SpeedTech ready connectors on the motor. N means the motor does not have a blocking brake. C indicates it utilizes a smart feedback device. 00 means this is a standard build motor. Frequently asked questions. What is the peak current? This AKM has a peak current of 12.4 amps. What is the winding inductance of the motor? The winding inductance is 5.2 mH. How many poles does the motor have? The motor has 6 poles. What is the max torque? The max torque is 1.49 Newton-meters. What is the motor's standstill current? The standstill current is 3.11 amps. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Kollmorgen motor sales and replacements.